Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and as you saw from the title of this video and the intro, I'm putting up a guitar for sale. This has been sat in my attic for much longer than it should have. I have another guitar with a B and G bender in it, so it's probably just going to sit there for a while, and I want to buy another organ, so I thought I might put this up for sale. So this is my Gibson, actual Gibson, USA made Les Paul. This is the Music City Junior. So this is a Les Paul Junior style guitar, and it features up here a strap activated Joe Glaser B and G bender. I say B and G bender. They're not. It doesn't do both bends. You can switch between the B and the G by changing the saddle. So I currently have it set up for a G bender, so I can do a lot of Brad Paisley stuff. It's a beautiful guitar. They are pretty rare as far as I'm aware. It's between 200 and 500 of them, I think, that were made. Don't quote me on that. There's definitely not many of these. You don't tend to see these around. They are nice guitars, and for the money, they're probably one of the best options you have for getting a guitar with a B bender, certainly a Joe Glaser B bender. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut on over to some samples of the guitar so you can hear all the pickup combinations, all the sounds. The P90s are absolutely delicious. It's a fun guitar, you know, and you don't see Gibsons like this. This is Gibson trying to make some sort of weird Gibson Telly hybrid, that natural wood finish. Yeah, so definitely your chance to own a piece of history. Who knows when one of these will be available again. One sold most recently on Reverb for £1,950-ish. I'm putting this up for £1,400. So if you are interested in this, please do get in touch. Let me know. I'm happy to ship it anywhere in the world. Assuming you're going to pay the shipping cost, you are more than welcome to own this very unique piece of Gibson history, something that you are probably unlikely to see again, and perfect for you aspiring country guitar players. Anyway, let's check out what this guitar sounds like. So here we have the bridge pickup, nice and bright. Of course, tone control, we can roll that, darken that up. Totally does the job. And there's a push-pull on each one of the pickups, so I can split this bridge pickup. It's definitely nice in both positions. Got some spank there, and then when I switch over to the next, the same thing. Obviously, we have that. Lovely neck pickup tone, and again push pull on that, split. Nice tone. And then, of course, the middle position. This one, there's a lot to demo when you're in this position, of course, because both pickups are splittable individually. So you would have both fat neck, fat bridge, and then both thin. Again, all just really usable tones. Nice and tonable. And then, of course, there's the bender. Now, the bender is switchable. I've got the G bender on currently. If you want that to be able to do the Brad Paisley stuff, but you can flip this saddle out to be a B bender. And this isn't a lesson on bender licks. All those types of things that I'm sure you're very aware of the fact that you can do. There's lots of like fun. You can get lots of fun things with that. So that's the bender.